In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change currency in Google AdSense. This is a simple change, but it is important to understand what it affects. When you change the currency in AdSense, you are mainly changing how your report numbers are displayed inside the reports area. This can make it easier to review your performance if you prefer to read earnings and metrics in a specific currency. It is especially helpful when you are comparing AdSense results with other tools, invoices, or internal tracking that uses a different currency. To begin, open your web browser and log in to your Google AdSense account. Make sure you are signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are inside the AdSense dashboard, take a moment to confirm that the page loads fully, because the menu and reporting tools may take a second to appear. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. Find and select Reports. This will take you into the Reporting Workspace, where you can view your earnings, page views, and other performance data. If you are not seeing the report details right away, give it a moment to load, or confirm you are in the correct section. Now focus on the top right area of the Reports workspace. You will see a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Click that gear icon to open the reporting settings. This is where you can adjust how your reports are shown, including the currency used for display. In the settings panel, find the currency dropdown. Click the dropdown to view the available currency options. Then choose your preferred currency from the list. After you select it, your reports should update to reflect the new currency format. If the numbers do not update immediately, wait a moment or refresh the page so the report can reload with your updated setting. Once you see the currency you selected displayed in the reports, you are done. That covers everything you need to know.